my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing another Outre wig. This is the 13x6 Evona hair. I did review this in another color, Cajun Spice. Let me know what you guys like the most, but this is going to be like the best install you've probably seen. Like, if you see this hair right now, guys, come on, like, this is probably my best install for any of my synthetic wigs. I'm super proud and I'm in love with this color. But if you do want to see the full install, full review of this hair, the pros and the cons, make sure that you keep watching this video. But before I get into that whole section, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Like, I know y'all want to look good like this for $40. I know you guys want to look good like this, okay? Okay. But after you do that, we're just gonna hop straight into the video. So like I said before, this is going to be probably the best synthetic slayage you have seen in a very long time. So you see right now I'm using my palette, my infamous palette, to color my wig cap just where I know where I need to part. You know what I'm saying? We don't need to do the whole entire head, but just where we want to have that seamless look. And then I am going to check out how this wig looks on me. So this is how the package came. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package. And that's how it looks on my head with no customization, okay? So this wig was coming in with a lot of heat. I think the difference for me was definitely the color, because I did review the Cajun Spice. The Cajun Spice has nothing on this unit. Absolutely nothing on this unit. So what you see right now, I am going to cut it into thirds just to save me some time and to make this lay down just a little bit easier. So what you're going to do is cut it into 3 parts. The top and the 2 sides. And the only reason I'm saying this is because if you have a big head like mine, you need to pull with all your might on those sides, okay? All your might. So that's what I'm going to be doing after I put this wig grip gel on. So now that it's in thirds, I'm going to put the gel thin, okay? Somewhat thin, all over the perimeter of my head. And as you can see, I'm just trying to make the gel a little bit more tacky, so when I do lay down that lace, it goes on and it stays on. So that's what I'm doing right now. You see I'm going all on the sides, and then I go again on the top. And I'm pulling on the lace. I'm pulling on the lace so it just melts with my actual scalp. So I like to go in back with the Fix-It spray just to make sure that it is super laid down, because sometimes the glue it needs, you know, assistance. It needs the combination. So I go in again, I pull my hair back, and I use the Fix-It spray. I use that Fix-It spray. I'm telling you guys, I've come a long way, all right? Because best believe I was not laying my wigs like this a year ago, respectfully. This, you see how I'm just shaking the hair a little bit just so it doesn't get too hard on me? This, I'm telling you, ladies, this is as easy as it's gonna get. So I do that in all of the sections, all of the 3 sections that I have, and then I lay that baby down, all right? So you can start on any side that you would like, but personally for this wig, I wanted to start on the sides just to see what I was working with because I knew it wasn't fully laid. You see, I did all that and it wasn't even fully laid on that side. But if you go in with this razor, I'm telling you it's going to look more natural. I am telling you, okay? This is just facts, car facts, you know, period. Look at that. And once I did this, I did the top as well. But I don't know if I did this off camera, but I did wipe the excess spray and gel that got on my face. I did do that for sure, just because I did not want that ash showing up in pictures or just in real life. So I did try to clean the perimeter up just a little bit. But I went in before I did that with the Fix It spray just to lay down the front a little bit more. See, I'm not really laying it any type of way. Like, I just wanted to do a natural free part, nothing too wild. But now that I know how I want it to lay, I have an idea of how I want my baby hairs to look. So as you can see, I am pulling out all the front hairs, all of the front hairs, as much front hair as I can get, but a thin layer. And I'm going to go in with my razor to get a natural cut. And I'm making sure I do it on the sides as well. And for this, I'm going to be using the Outre mousse just to set my baby hairs, but I'm also going to be using the grip gel. So you're going to see that I first use the mousse just to get the mold and what I want, because I do want them to be a little bit natural, a little bit free flowing, but at the same time, I like my edges to really stick to my head. I don't know if that's just me. Some girls like it where it's just kind of like free flowing, but when it's stuck to my head, I just feel like, okay, like it's laid down, like it's not going nowhere. But you see, I'm using that with a combination of the grip gel. So for this part, it's optional, but you guys know I love putting in my powder. I just did it a little you know, a little bit, not in the sides too much, not in the part too much, but just in the front to give that seamless look. Look at that seamless look, ladies. You cannot sit here and tell me this is not beautiful. You cannot sit here and tell me that this is not like celebrity hairstylist vibes. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm super proud of myself, and I hope you were able to do the same. Okay, so I have finished installing this hair. Again, this is Evona in the Havana brown. Like, what? I did not do anything to the part. Nothing to the part. I did not put any powder. I did not even lay it down with the flat iron. I wanted this to look bouncy and just like I just got my hair done. I did take my time, and one thing I will say, which again, I'm not sponsored, this is just me showing some love to Outre, but all of these right here compared to Got2b glue made this look seamless. If I used Got2b glue, it would be ashy, crusty, all that, and it's doing none of those things. I live by these now. I live by these. I don't think I'm ever gonna use Got2b glue again. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm so sorry if you're a fan. It like lays the wig down, but not too much where it feels like it's literally ripping out your edges. The mousse sets everything perfectly, and the spray is not a super hard hold. It doesn't flake or anything like that. So I just wanted to say that. But look at the length and these curls right here. I mean, I have no cons. I actually do like this more than the Cajun Spice version of this hair. I feel like this is more soft, and it kind of helps my features a little more. Definitely is a very feminine color. I do like this Havana brown. I am gonna try to do this color more often, but let me know what you guys think. Overall, I would give it a 10 out of 10. Like, this color, I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. But I'm trying to show you guys my baby hairs. I did not do anything crazy, but I just want you to know I did not add crazy powder or anything like that. Like, this is just how it looks. With some gloss, lashes, and a calm beat. This is bomb, okay? But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what else you would like for me to review. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.